Hey guys, welcome back to the Rebuilt Era. This is where I am giving you a summary of how I am doing week to week as I am losing the baby weight. We made it to week 6. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little summary of how week 6 went. If you watch my previous video, I know I kind of went over a summary there. I showed you what my weight loss graph looked like, and I showed you that I had hit a low of 134. I actually hit a new low of 133.2. Week 6, if you didn't hear from week 5, I was getting my excitement, the motivation back. Like the last couple of weeks, I have been going to the gym. I have not been feeling it. I have been feeling a little bit discouraged, but I still showed up. I still went ahead and prepped and ate my meals the way that I should have to achieve my goal. And it wasn't until week 5 and 6 that I started to see not just the numbers come down on the weight, but also myself feeling stronger and feeling a little bit more like myself. So I do want to give you a quick little recap. With week 6, I did talk about how we went from 2 days of cardio now to 3 days of cardio. I was able to sneak in a 4th day because since I was so motivated with how things are going, I was like, I'm going to take advantage of it. But I didn't really mention it to my coach just because I didn't want to commit to it yet. I just kind of wanted to see if I was able to achieve that, if I was able to really do a 4th day. Another win that I want to talk about the gym. So I mentioned that, I've been feeling a lot stronger, not only with lifting weights, but my body in general has just been feeling a lot stronger. One of the things that I didn't really maybe talk about too much was how weak my core felt. And I just kept continuing my core exercises, my core pelvic floor exercises, plus morning vacuums. I'm still not very consistent with them because sometimes it's like you wake up and go. I don't have time to think. But if you want me to maybe do what my core vacuums look like, I can make a YouTube video about that as well. That was one of the exciting things. The other exciting thing is I didn't dread being at the gym. I'm not sure if I shared this on week 5, but it has continued to feel that way where I look forward to going to the gym. In the past, with having my little one, and I think it's just like mom mode where you don't want to leave him behind and you want to avoid like the mom guilt. It was really hard for me to go to a gym, although it might have looked like, if you follow me on Instagram, it looks like I'm having a great time at the gym. I am, but like my whole mind is like, why is my workout taking so long? I need to go back home, and I've only been gone for like maybe an hour. Finally, I've been feeling like, okay, good. I am looking forward to the gym now. I have also gotten back into my old workout clothes. So that was super exciting. I was able to put on my old shorts, my old leggings. Right now I just wear shorts because it's so damn hot. But I finally started to feel more confident in my body. Like I can really start to notice now the changes. Now keep in mind that I have lost a total of 7 pounds so far, and I didn't expect much changes. Usually 7 pounds is not such a big deal. The only places I start to notice that I lean down is like my face starts to look a little bit different, and my arms and my waist does start to come back down. It's usually my lower body that goes towards the end. My steps have remained at 10K steps, but since we are motivated or excited, I took advantage and I added some extra walks in my day, midday, which I know you guys can't tell, but the stroller is definitely giving me a tan. I didn't realize I was going to develop a natural tan, but I am getting tan from spending a little bit more time out when I have the time. I don't have all the time. For week 6, what I've been doing is roughly anywhere between 12,000 to 14,000 steps, not making it a goal. I'm just taking advantage and getting that done. My calories have remained the same, and everything kind of has has remained the same. It was just like taking off the boxes, okay? So that's how week 6 has gone. I just want to let you know, like, if you are on your health and fitness journey and you start and you are like in this mindset of like, I'm not seeing the results, I don't feel like going to the gym. Like, everybody's different. There's some of us who start our journey super motivated. I know I started motivated, but within like a week, my motivation dropped. And that is very normal because you start to feel a little bit discouraged. You think that you're gonna see an overnight result. We all go through this. We all wanna see the results right away. But that's the nice thing about health and fitness is that you have to put in the time, you have to put in the work, and nobody can take that away from you. So if you are currently feeling like, you know, you've been showing up and you're not getting the results that you deserve, keep showing up, keep going to the gym when you're unmotivated, stay consistent with your nutrition. That's where it's gonna really pay off. So this is a really quick, brief week 6 summary. My little one is sleeping, so I gotta take advantage. But week 7 has gone a little bit different. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.